HUTACT Binoculars bird watching, for adults and for children, are essential items for you to travel, let the world in sight view far without end. Features: BaK4 Prism and full multilayer coated lens deliver crisp, clear images and improve light transmittance. Zoom in with 10x42 to find bright and clear details of birds. Twist up eyecups support for with /without glasses. Two kinds of observation methods. Twist your eyecup while viewing to prevent the eyelashes from sweeping over the eyepiece. Untwist the eyecups when not in use to protect the eyepiece against crushing. Center focusing wheel, durable structure, non-slip design makes easier and smoother adjustment, more accurate focus, let you find the target accurately. Diopter adjustment ring, vision difference compensation is compensated by the diopter adjustment ring under the right eyepiece in order to achieve better imaging results of both eyes. Simple and elegant, the use of high-quality rubber, non-slip particles on both sides, all-round rubber cover can increase the body friction, more durable, non-slip, to ensure the stability of imaging. Specifications: model, HTK-68 magnification, 10x42 caliber of object lens, 42 mm diameter of ocular, 16 mm material of prism, BaK4 exit pupil diameter, 4.1 mm exit pupil distance, 15 mm ocular coating, FMC object lens coating, FMC net weight of telescope, 1.43 pounds dimension of telescope, 5.0 x 5.75 x 2.17 inch package includes 1x binoculars, 2x lens cap, 1x eyepiece cap, 1x lens cleaning cloth, 1x carrying case, 1x harness straw, 1x instruction book, 1x color box. Binoculars 10x42, 42 mm complete. Multilayer coating lens and BaK4 Prism with high refractive index to create crisp, ultra-high definition images. Produce the brightest, clearest, most authentic color and the highest resolution bird's eye view. Binoculars bird watching, 10x magnification, can reduce the hand shake during observation, effectively prevent eye fatigue, suitable for long-time observation. Compact and simple focus, by adjusting the right eyecup and center wheel to bird watching, sightseeing, for hunting, mountaineering, travel, sports games, concerts and more. Product case is constructed of aluminum alloy in a shell, light and sturdy structure, environmental rubber jacket. The exclusive design of the streamlined appearance makes it high-end fashion, rugged, durable and shock-resistant. Twist-up eyecups design suitable for users with /without glasses. Binoculars compact, bright and clear. It feels like a powerful 10x42 amplifier. Want to see feathers fluttering in the wind? These compact birding binoculars will bring you a clear and bright vision. All for adults and for children will be amazed. HUTACT worry-free after-sales service. If you are not satisfied with the product, you will be entitled to a refund within 30 days. You can unconditionally return the product and get a full refund without any explanation. You can enjoy a worry-free shopping. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.